the blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I create different skin tones and hues and skin tones on Procreate. So I'll be using Procreate as my product, I guess, today, and I'm just using this on my iPhone 10. I believe it's just the 10 or 10s or something like that. I'm not really sure, but I'm doing all of this on my phone to just show you guys how I create different skin tones. So as you can see in this first one, starting off with a darker color and working towards a lighter color. And I usually work, if I want like a peach tone, I usually work with a lot of purples and reds, kind of that magenta area for the shadow, and then work towards a light orange peach color. And I'm using the damp brush to lay on the colors, which is in the painting tab, and then using the merge tool to just blend everything together seamlessly and mix them up together. Now I'm just going to be showing you different ways to layer different tones of color. So for this one, I was using a darker purple than the magenta in the first one, some shades of blue, and then adding those lighter browns that are closer to kind of an auburn brown color, and mixing those up together to get a darker skin tone. Throughout this week, I'll be doing different tips and tricks on Procreate and other digital software drawing applications, I guess. I use a lot of Adobe Draw, Photoshop, and Procreate is what I mainly use since it's very on the go. I have it on my phone and I can use it at all times. So I really enjoy creating different types of skin tones. So in this one, you can see I used a green as an undertone, which a lot of people might steer away from cool colors like green, blues, and purples in their skin tones because they think it might make the skin tone look muddy and not realistic. But in reality, if a light is hitting in a certain way on a skin tone, it really changes the way the color of the skin tone looks. So this magenta one and the green one might be the same person, but different lights hitting them at different angles might create different illusions of color. So I added in this orange to brown skin tone mix just because this is usually what most people tend to go towards, since they know how to get a brown on Procreate or a brown color pencil and automatically think that's the shadow, and the peach or light orange tones may be the highlights of the skin tone. But I wanted to show all these different options before, like the magenta, the purple and blues, the greens, and that blue to green to yellow skin type, to really show different skin tones that you can really get besides this orange to brown skin tone. Now I'm going to show you my favorite trick to use is just overlaying these colors if they're a little bit too exaggerated for me, like that orange tone and that green one, mixing them together and changing the opacity so you get a more muted brown to peach tone, and you can keep doing that and layering different ones until you get the tone that you're happy with. It's the really great thing about working digitally, that you can just overlay things, erase, undo, and just redo them over again, versus traditionally if you mess up you either gotta erase it really well, or if your medium does not erase you gotta paint over it and start all over again, or in the case of markers just get a new paper. And there we go. This is how I create different skin tones using different digital tools such as Procreate, and just layering different tones, changing the opacity, and using the merge tool as my best friend. Make sure to stick around for the next digital tool tips and tricks. And other than that, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.